Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with the exercises and we are in Domain 5 Exercise 2. So as always we need to open up our files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. And the file we're working on today is Sales.xlsx spreadsheet. So I now have the file open. So what we now do is the first question. So we have to move the chart into a new worksheet called branches. So I click onto the chart, click on chart design, click on move chart. So put the dot in new sheet and I'm going to call it branches. So just bear with me while I type in here. So that's now branches and click OK. Now you see it's moved into new chart. So now click back into sheet 1. And then on our next question is we have to insert a bar chart using the cell range A3 to C8. So I highlight A3 to C8. I go to insert, I go to bar, and it's a 100% stacked 3D bar chart. So there you are, 3D 100% stacked bar chart. I've got to position that into E3, so I drag it into E3. Now next thing I've got to do is I have to add a data table. So I go to add chart element, go to data tables, and data tables with legend keys. So I click on that. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is to add the Limerick data series to the chart. So you see now it's showing Galway and Cork. So I just click here into the corner and hold down my left mouse button and drag across, ensuring that I have Limerick selected, the heading. And you can now see that that's Limerick there, okay? Now I need to add a primary horizontal axis title of genre. So I go into add chart element, axis titles, primary horizontal, and I'm just going to type in genre in here. So just bear with me while I type this in. So 1 second there now. So now I've typed this in, okay. So now the next question is to remove the chart title. So I go to add chart element, chart title, and none, okay. So now the next question then is we need to apply chart style 8 to the chart. So I click into chart style 8. I'm now to select to change the color, so I need to change to colorful palette tree. So colorful palette tree, so I go to change colors and colorful palette tree. Now I need to apply the quick layout to the chart, so quick layout and it's layout 2, okay, so click on layout 2. And finally then now I need to resize the chart, so click into the chart, click into format, and I need to resize it to 14 centimeters. So click into the box, type in 14 and press enter. That's very important, okay. Okay, so now we've concluded Domain 5 Exercise 2. This is the last of our exercises for the domains. So we'll see you shortly then on the sample mock exams, and there'll be 2 of those, okay? So that's fantastic. As always, thanks for watching, and it's much appreciated, and take care.